Hey friends, today I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about my solar panel that I just got in the mail. I did another video of unboxing it, but unfortunately in my last video my head was cut off, so I'm reshooting this one just for you guys. This is a pretty neat solar panel. I apologize, I told you guys I was going to get the 200 watt model. Unfortunately with the 200 watt model, storage was going to be kind of an issue. I didn't have much room to store it in my vehicle. And when I unfolded it, I thought that it might be, too big to put in my front window or somewhere. So I went a little bit more compact, and I got the 100 watt model. Now, this came, I don't know if you guys can see that, it came with the awesome owner's manual, which I'll definitely read before I operate my solar panel. It's in English, Danish, French, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, and Chinese. So I'll read it in every one of those languages. Anyway, so it comes with really good foam. I was really impressed by this stuff. This looks to be like it's like a 3D printed foam. They do have 3D printed foam machines, which is absolutely amazing. I'm glad Pecron takes such care of their products when they ship them out, because it seems like every other week I get something in the mail and it's broken. And it's nice that they shipped it in this box, in another box, which I was really happy about that. So we'll start off real quick. The first thing I'd like to point out is that these have, this thing right here has really nice hangers on it. So if you unfold this, ooh, that's nice. So if you unfold it, you can actually hang it upright, which is neat. The denim or whatever kind of cloth they put on the outside, that's pretty, feels very durable. It has this, which it has a kickstand, which is just a snap. That's kind of nice. I actually would appreciate if they put like some kind of an adjustment on there, because you never know the angle you're going to want to aim your solar panel into the sun or whatever, different angles. So your kickstand is a little bit weird with that. It has one on the other side too. Has a really heavy duty handle. This is nice, and it's magnetized, which is a huge plus. So that's kind of neat. It folds out. I'll fold it out really quick for you guys. And apparently this is waterproof from what they told me. So I don't know if that's true. So we'll see when it comes to waterproof or water resistant. Hopefully it's waterproof. I don't know yet. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to dunk it underwater, so don't think I will. But yeah, it's 100 watts. I can't remember the size right off the top of my head, but it's so much smaller than the 200 watt solar panels, which makes it compact. I love things being compact, especially me having an e600 solar generator. I don't need 200 or 300 watts to charge it up. I'm not worried about letting it sit. Again, I'll let it sit in the front window, which will take like 50% off of the efficiency of the solar panel, but I can leave it in there for a while, or I'll put something like this on the side of my vehicle, or hang it off the awning or whatever. Not the awning, but the top rack that I have on there. I've been looking at getting a roof rack or something for the top, by the way. But yeah, that was pretty sweet. There's a lot of things you can do with it since it's nice and compact. Now I'm unzipping this. This is kind of neat. Okay. Oh man, this is kind of short. I do have an extension for this, by the way, that I did buy, but you can see that is just a little bit short. If something like this is going to be mobile, or you're going to have this mobile and your solar panel is going to be stationary, you don't want your solar generator is going to be stationary. You don't want your solar generator to be left out in the sun or out in the rain. So it's better that they have a longer lead on it. 6 foot, I wish it was a little bit longer. One thing I really don't like though is I thought there was like a USB, a little panel in here that would charge like USB-C or regular USB. I think this is a newer model, and on the older model it did have that, which the older model I think was 3 panels. This one's actually 4 separate panels, so that's kind of a bummer. But I'm not going to complain. I got this one for $100, and the 200 watt one was $250, right around $250. So obviously $250, $100, something like this. You know, if I ever have to replace it, I'm not going to cry about it. But the 200 watt panel also plugs in with an Aviator 5-pin connector, and this is just your regular barrel plug. So that's a plus, keeping it simple. So yeah, not saying that an Aviator plug is a 5-pin is that complicated or different, but yeah, trying to find an extender was a little bit more, wasn't more of a challenge, but a little bit more expensive from what I noticed than a regular barrel plug. But that's not a big deal. I'll probably, I just got an extender for this, so it's not a big deal, the length. But yeah, it's got corner protectors around the outside. As you guys can see, that's kind of nice. As with Pecron, they put these nice orange protectors around the outside. That's kind of neat of every product that they make. And yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with it. I can't wait to get it on the road and test it for you guys. Alright, thanks so much for watching.